And when that earthquake finally hit, I was chatting on Instant Messenger with Sean Hannity. Well, then within seconds, we both messaged each other simultaneously, both in jest. It's the end of the world. And this is the thought that went through the minds of many in an instant. Our world was shaken, and when the world shakes, we know there is really only one power in the universe who can do that, and it's the Creator. Well, why does God do that? Well, I believe He shakes us up in small ways and big ways as a sign to us of the consequences of disobedience and indifference to Him and His law. It's really that simple. He wants us to return to covenant. That means living under His rules. And given the extent of lawlessness in our world today, I think you can safely expect many more signs of that kind and even more ominous ones.